My name is Sean Breen. I'm a trial attorney. I work with Breen and Herman, a firm of trial attorneys. Stevie Church was a college student. She was attending a resort here in Texas as a guest. She was underage. They overserved her alcohol. They had an employee that took her off of the property, and as he brought her back to the property, he drove in a terrible, reckless fashion. He blew through a T intersection and went airborne and crashed in some very non-usual dynamics. One of the things that we really focus on as trial attorneys here at Breen, the audience. You get their attention by having very persuasive visuals that would be able to illustrate that once it went airborne and crashed down vertically, you would understand that the force impacted upon this young woman was a vertical force straight up her spine. DK Global gives me that tangible visual. What I decided to do in this case with DK was what I call a 2-for-1. I want to use you on the dynamics of the accident, but I also want it to be the dynamics of the injury. Well, what we in fact were able to prove through these experts and with DK is that it was the dynamics of the accident that brought her out of the seatbelt, not that she wasn't wearing it. We needed enough money to take care of her. It justifies using the best experts and the best group, which means pick up the phone and call DK Global. We had an excellent first week of trial. We got to a point where we were very satisfied we had achieved full and fair compensation, and it was so gratifying. I can't tell you how happy the family was and how happy we were for her. Using these 3D illustrations really separates you as a firm, as a lawyer, as an advocate from people who don't. I've told you before about the DK effect. You can hear it. Literally, people gasp when they see some of these visuals. I had a life care planner in this case who's done over 1,000 cases. And when she saw the DK Global illustration and video in this case, she told me, that's the best one I've ever seen. It tells the story exactly how it happened. Every step of the way, I use things like these DK Global exhibits as an important part of letting the other side know, I'm going to try this case. It never let me down once, not in all the years I've been using them.